So I'm gonna share this idea, and then you can definitely let me know what you think. So I use dryer balls way more than I use fabric sheets because I feel like these are very pricey, whether it's clean and green or just your regular chemical based ones, and they can get expensive. But again, you can repurpose them as I showed you to clean your baseboards. But I thought when I went back to school shopping, if you hadn't seen that video, I will link it. But these baskets were in the dollar section, although they were $3. And I should have got 3, but I only ended up with 2. And I kept thinking, what am I gonna do with these? Because I've seen them around, but I wasn't really sure what people really do with them. So I went to Pinterest and I saw people use them as planters. They actually use this to put plants in. I thought that was cute, but I just kept thinking that it would end up being a mildewy mess once water accidentally got in there. And I thought, well, you know, you can store crafts in them, you can store school supplies in them. And then I got to thinking, because I looked at the receipt to see if I had got the tax off on these, and I did not. And the reason being is because they run up as cleaning supplies. And a light bulb went off in my head, and I thought, you know what? I get it. I know exactly what I could utilize these baskets for. I have a ton of dryer balls, but because all this clutter was up here that you guys saw earlier in the before, I had forgotten that I had probably 12 or so dryer balls. I've been using the same 3 to 4, and then one of them will get lost, to roll under the couch or roll under the bed or be caught in the sleeve. And then I really forget that I have more. Well, when I took down everything, I found this bag full of additional dryer balls. The beauty of dryer balls is that they are reusable. I've had my dryer balls for at least 7 years, and they are like this, and they look wool, or they're made out of wool. They're beautiful colors, and what I loved most about these is that I would always teach my son his colors with these, and primary colors and counting and things. Like they're so multi-purpose, and then you can add your favorite essential oil drops into these, like 3 to 5 drops. I mean, I love to use lemon, lavender, orange. I like to put lavender in there and warm my sheets up really nice and warm in the winter right before I put them onto my bed. It feels so good. And then you just throw them in the dryer when you dry your clothes. And I thought, I need to be able to visibly see my dryer balls when I dry. So now I have a storage bin, but of course I decided to get a shower rod, a shorter one, to attach up here so that I can then hang the baskets from the rod and store things. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the second basket if all the dry balls fits in this one, but I really think that this is a much better setup for the laundry room. I feel so good. I feel already, even though I've got that mess out here in the foyer, I just feel like I can breathe when it comes to my laundry room, and that we can work to keep some of this clutter and distress. I need to get something to open this. It is not wanting to cooperate. Oh Lord. All right. So We're gonna open the shower rod. I found this at Target. So they want me to wipe something clean with a damp cloth, so I'll wipe the area clean just in case. Twist to unlock and extend. Twist the inner tube away from you until rod is fully tightened. Seems pretty self-explanatory. Alright, so with the large end like this, I'm twisting. Alright, so I want this over by the dryer side since that's where my dryer balls will be. I'm gonna attach these on. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it out a little ways. Oh, that looks good. And then once I get it there, oopsie, I'm going to then twist, twist, twist. Alright, so I hope that's good. So I need to get some scissors. But yeah, then I'll be able to put all the dryer balls in there, and it'll be great. I need to put some scissors in here because I always find that I'm cutting tags off when I get new items. So what do you think? What do you think about this idea? I think it's pretty dope. I think it's pretty dope. It's good. As I said before, it's looking a whole lot better in here. I'm gonna get ready to go ahead and sweep. I already did some vacuuming to get up a lot of the dust and grime and spider webs. I'm gonna do a little sweep, then do a little touch of a Swiffer, and I believe I'm gonna call it good, and then I will follow up and show you the completed after with everything put back in. So let's get to the sweeping and the Swiffering. Alright, DollBabies, I'm feeling like I have made a lot of progress. I'm feeling really good. I'm going to wrap this up and I will follow up with you all with the finished results. And I appreciate you all so much for tuning in. I think that it looks great. I would love to have your feedback. I'm getting ready to bring in a couple of other things, and I will definitely be back to show you how it all turned out and if you can tell a major difference. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I am back and not well rested. As you know, I did an exclusive cleanup in my laundry room, and I let you all see what was really going on, and I was not proud. The laundry room is in much better shape, so I am getting ready to do the reveal. Okay, you all, the moment you've been waiting for. Okay, guys, what do you think? Ta-da! It's a miracle. Look. See, didn't this turn out really great? I can finally see my dryer balls, and I can put my essential oils in there and dry every time instead of some of the time. My bins are all situated, and let's go behind the door. So as you can see, this laundry room is not that much space, but it's enough. I mean, it works, but this is what you get, and it's just so much better. And now we can keep this organized and continue to get our laundry done efficiently and know what's what and what's where, and maybe do laundry maybe once or twice a week, because I'm not a fan of running my washer and dryer every day. Some people are, me not as much. The bins again are from the Dollar Tree. They worked really well for what I need for now. So this is a very affordable approach to storage and shelving when you have small spaces, or just in general when you want to spiff up your laundry room or office or closet and just make it look nice. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it was insightful and helpful. And I ask that you let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. You know, as always, I appreciate you so much for your support. If you're new here, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that bell, give me a thumbs up. Just give me some feedback on what you thought. And if you have any additional ideas, you know I'm open to them. So until next time, peace, abundance, blessings. Bye.